Judging me on what I wear, discussing how I did my hair, because you let me run to where they said. Spilling out words I wrote, honesty takes its toll.
Hi, it's me again. Our topic for today is finding the base. The formula for finding the base is equal to percentage divided by rate. Let us try this problem. 125 is 15% of what amount? The given is 125 pesos represent by percentage, 15% represent by rate. The unknown is base. To solve for the base, we use the formula for B is equal to P divided by R. Therefore, 125 pesos divided by 15%. We will change first 15% to decimal number. Therefore, 125 pesos divided by 0.15. The answer is 833 and 33 centavos. Let us proceed to number 2. Mrs. Ramos pay 4,000 pesos for the monthly installment of her house. This amount is 25% of her monthly income. How much is her monthly income? The solution: identify the given and unknown data. The given is percentage is equal to 4,000, rate is equal to 25%, and the unknown is base. To solve for the base, we use the formula of B is equal to P divided by R. Therefore, 4,000 divided by 25%. Again, we change 25% to decimal number. Then B is equal to 4,000 divided by 0.25. The answer is 16,000.
It's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop to your